Many BMW owners believe that modern automatic transmissions are nearly indestructible. With advanced software, adaptive logic, and decades of engineering behind them, it's easy to assume that the gearbox can take care of itself. This assumption is one of the main reasons why so many BMW transmissions begin to feel less smooth over time, even when there are no warning lights, no error messages, and no obvious mechanical problems. A BMW automatic transmission is not just a mechanical unit. It is a learning system. Every time you move off, slow down, stop, or maneuver at low speed, the transmission records how you behave. It observes throttle timing, braking rhythm, pauses between gear changes, and how decisively you make inputs. Over thousands of repetitions, these behaviors shape how the gearbox responds in the future. One of the most common mistakes happens during low-speed driving. In traffic, parking garages, or residential areas, many drivers constantly modulate the throttle instead of allowing the car to roll naturally. This creates a cycle of small accelerations and decelerations that force the transmission to continuously adjust clutch engagement. These micro-corrections are invisible to the driver, but they accumulate internally and gradually reduce smoothness. Another widespread habit involves shifting between drive and reverse too quickly. Many BMWs allow gear selection even before the car has fully stopped, which gives drivers the impression that it's harmless. In reality, every premature shift forces internal components to absorb unnecessary stress. Even if no damage occurs immediately, the adaptive logic registers this behavior and alters engagement timing. Stopping behavior is equally important. Some drivers allow the car to rest on the transmission when stopped, especially on slight inclines. Instead of holding the vehicle with the brake, they rely on the gearbox to resist movement. This places continuous load on internal components and subtly changes how the transmission engages when moving again. Throttle timing after a stop plays a major role in long-term behavior. Abrupt acceleration immediately after releasing the brake forces the transmission to react aggressively. Over time, this teaches the gearbox to expect sudden demands, resulting in sharper takeoffs and less refined low-speed behavior. Temperature stability is another silent factor. Automatic transmissions operate best within a specific temperature range. Frequent short trips, combined with aggressive inputs, prevent the system from stabilizing. While this doesn't trigger warnings, it accelerates adaptive drift and contributes to inconsistent behavior. Manual or sport transmission modes are often misunderstood as well. Using them aggressively in daily traffic or switching in and out without consistency sends mixed signals to the adaptive system. The transmission does not separate fun driving from normal driving. It simply learns patterns and applies them broadly. What makes this especially important is that transmission adaptation is gradual and silent. There is no moment when the car tells you that your habits are affecting long-term smoothness. Instead, drivers often notice only after months or years that the gearbox feels less refined than it once did. If you want your BMW to feel composed and precise for years, subscribe to the channel. This series focuses on understanding how your car learns from you, not on mechanical shortcuts or workshop visits. In this episode, we are not talking about servicing, fluids, or repairs. We are talking about behavior. The way you interact with your BMW's automatic transmission every single day determines how it will feel in the long run. In Part 2, we will turn this understanding into a clear, practical guide. You will learn exactly how to drive, stop, and maneuver in ways that protect transmission refinement and longevity. And at the end, I will share one overlooked habit that almost every BMW driver repeats without realizing how deeply it affects the gearbox. Now that you understand how your habits influence transmission behavior, it's time to apply this knowledge in a practical and repeatable way. Everything in this part can be implemented immediately, without tools, without software changes, and without stepping into a workshop. Start with low-speed control. In traffic and parking situations, allow the car to roll naturally whenever possible. Avoid constant throttle modulation. Gentle rolling reduces internal corrections and allows the transmission to engage smoothly. Over time, this creates noticeably calmer behavior during everyday driving. When shifting between drive and reverse, always come to a complete stop. Pause briefly before selecting the next gear. This small delay gives internal components time to disengage and re-engage properly. Over thousands of repetitions, this habit significantly improves long-term smoothness. At stops, rely on the brakes, not the transmission. Keep your foot firmly on the brake pedal instead of allowing the gearbox to hold the vehicle. On inclines, engage the parking brake before releasing the brake pedal. This removes load from the transmission and preserves refined engagement. Throttle timing after a stop is critical. Apply throttle progressively instead of abruptly. Smooth timing teaches the transmission to engage calmly and consistently. Sudden acceleration trains the system to expect aggression and respond sharply. In stop-and-go traffic, patience is essential. Avoid creeping aggressively followed by hard braking. Maintain steady spacing and allow gentle movement. The transmission adapts to this rhythm and rewards you with smoother engagement and fewer abrupt shifts. Use sport or manual transmission modes intentionally. These modes alter shift logic and response. Use them when conditions justify it, such as open roads or controlled driving situations. Afterward, return to normal modes to allow the system to recalibrate. Constant use in daily traffic builds aggressive adaptations that persist. Here is the overlooked detail promised earlier. BMW automatic transmissions learn decisiveness. If you frequently hesitate between braking and accelerating, or constantly change your intent at low speed, the transmission adapts by becoming uncertain. Clear, deliberate inputs create confident behavior. Indecisive inputs create hesitation and roughness. Consistency over time matters more than any single drive. One aggressive moment will not ruin a transmission. Thousands of small habits will define how it feels permanently. When your behavior aligns with how the system is designed to work, refinement improves instead of fading. By following these principles, you are not limiting performance. You are preserving precision. A BMW transmission treated correctly feels composed, predictable, and refined even after years of use. In the next episode, we'll focus on engine usage and how everyday driving patterns influence longevity and efficiency. Because improving your BMW without a workshop is not about avoiding maintenance. It's about understanding how your car responds to you every single day.